guys, so basically this is a very healthy weight loss recipe I want to share with you. I did a video like this a couple weeks ago or a couple of days, I don't remember, but honestly it is a very healthy recipe for weight loss. Now what I'm going to do is put some yogurt. I'm using some fat-free yogurt right here, and I'm gonna put, as you can see, I'm just gonna be finishing up my fat-free yogurt right here. Nice one. So it's not even a lot of the yogurt left, it's just a little bit of yogurt left, and I decided to use it up to make this weight loss recipe for you guys. Alright, so once you do that, just make sure that there's no seed. Remove all the seeds from the lemon. I'm gonna put roughly about a quarter of a lemon inside of it. Secondly, I'm going to put roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Now what you're going to do is just simple blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. All right. So that is finished blend right now. Alright, what we're gonna do is share it. Look at this recipe. This recipe is for weight loss. Nice, I love it, guys. So basically here it is. So all I want to do is drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. We will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. A very simple recipe, just 3 ingredients: yogurt, apple cider vinegar, and cinnamon and lemon juice. 4 ingredients. Works really well. You guys can do some research on the apple cider vinegar, the cinnamon, the lemon, and also you can do some research on the yogurt, and I'm using fat-free yogurt. Alright, stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, leave your comments in the description box, and I will definitely see you next time in the kitchen with some more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright, see you next time, bye bye.